Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Prius fog light. First, gather your tools: a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and your new fog light bulbs. Always ensure your Prius is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin. You'll be accessing the fog light housing from underneath the front bumper, so prepare your workspace for easy access. Now, let's remove the old bulb. You'll find two 10mm bolts holding the fog light assembly in place. Use your socket wrench to carefully remove these. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the assembly forward. Next, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its small tab and pulling it straight off. Finally, twist the old bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to release it from its housing. With the old bulb out, it's time for the new one. Remember to handle the new bulb only by its plastic base to avoid getting oils on the glass, which can shorten its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, making sure the tabs align correctly. Then, twist it clockwise about 1/4 turn until it feels secure. Finally, firmly reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a satisfying click. Almost done? Now, carefully reinsert the fog light assembly back into its position. Align the two 10mm bolts and secure them with your socket wrench. Make sure they are snug, but avoid over-tightening. Once everything is back in place, turn on your Toyota Prius and test the new fog light. Confirm that both fog lights are working and properly aimed for optimal visibility. You've successfully changed your fog light.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.